Hey everyone, welcome back to the Evening Sip with Richa. I have missed saying this so much. Anyways, guys, so I had promised you people that I'm going to record a video with the books recommendation. So here's what I was doing. I was pulling out my favorite books from all the genres, but then midway I got really tired and frustrated at the same time. My room and my bookshelf actually looks like that it has stuck a storm. So I switched the script, and here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take you through a mini tour of my room. It is absolutely normal looking right now, and a little towards the dirtier side as well, honestly, because I was pulling out all the books from all the ends and all the nook and corners from my bookshelf. I am going to show you the books from the bookshelf itself, and I'm going to recommend you the books as well. You might not agree with all my choices of books, but that is the beauty of the personal taste. Everybody has its own. You've got all the rights to judge me. You have the freedom to do that, but I would request you to please be a little gentle in the comment section. Let's start. Let's take a mini tour of the room and the bookshelf. Alright guys, so this is the condition of the room at the moment. I was just trying to pull out the books from all the nook and corners like I told you. This is the bookshelf that I have. इसमें से ही निकाली है मैंने बहुत सारी books. थोड़ी बहुत यहाँ है नीचे. And then there is a stack of books here in this drawer as well. Then there are quite a few books here as well. So I'm going to take you through these also. But let's start with the recommendation. So guys, the first one would be, let's start with the horror genre. Guys, the first book that I highly recommend is Carrie, and that is by Stephen King. The second book is Misery, again by Stephen King. The third one is The Shining. And the last but not the least, The Exorcist. You people can start reading The Exorcist first. This won't let you sleep, and that's the beauty of the horror genres. So The Exorcist, Stephen King's Shining, the third one is Misery, and the last but not the least, Carrie. Okay, now the second genre is mythology, some serious mythology, and the undisputed king, Devdutt Patnaik. I would recommend two books of Devdutt Patnaik, Myth and Mithya and The Pregnant King. Guys, there is a story behind these two books. I never purchased these books. These were just released on Amazon, and Devdutt Patnaik had sent me these books for the review. Yes, once upon a time I used to review the books for the writers. So he had sent me this. And then it is followed by the Aghora series, Aghora 1, 2, and 3. It's highly recommended, people. I would request you all to please give it a try. And you would not regret, I promise. And then my favorite, the Mahabharata series, Mahabharata 1, 2, and 3. So there are 15 parts of these series, but then I have just read 3 abhi tak because this is towards a little difficult side. I am rereading the first part once again because I want to continue the series. It's really very, very nice. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat myself once again. So Mahabharata 1, 2, and 3. Then we have Aghora series, part 1, 2, and 3. And then we have Devdutt Patnaik's Myth and Mithya and The Pregnant King. Alright guys, now I am going to talk about the most powerful books. One is Power. It's again by Robert Greene, one of my favorite writers. The second one is Manifest, 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life. The third one is The Law of Human Nature. Amazing book. And Robert Greene की ही एक और book है Seduction that I can't find. I don't know where did I keep it. But Seduction, yes, it's a wonderful book. The last one is Sigmund Freud's The Interpretation of Dreams. This was gifted to me by someone back in 2015. I had read it. बहुत अच्छी book है यार, पढ़ना ज़रूर. उसके बाद I'm going to repeat myself. Sigmund Freud's The Interpretation of Dreams, The Law of Human Nature, Manifest, Power, and Seduction by Robert Greene. Very powerful books, guys. Highly recommended. Alright guys, now we're going to explore another genre, that is romance. Through My Window, that's the first recommendation. Nicholas Spark, you can pick up any book written by Nicholas Spark. It's bomb. A Walk to Remember is one of my favorites. The Notebook, and The Wish. I never read this book, so this was actually recommended to me by someone, and my mom purchased it for me. I never paid for it. Genre as romance is not one of my favorites, honestly guys. I'm not very fond of it, so I never purchase these books myself. Please do not judge me, but I love Colin Hoover to some extent as well. So it ends with us, and it starts with us right there. There is one more book by Colin Hoover, and the name of the book is Ugly Love. It's right there, right besides Verity. Highly recommended, guys. All right, guys. Now we're gonna talk about India. Okay, so I'm going to recommend you 5 books, top 5. The first one is The Last Queen. You people are not going to regret this. It is actually written on the last queen of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. उनकी हिस्ट्री के ऊपर है. प्लीज पढ़ना, बहुत अच्छी बुक है. अगैन बाय वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट राइटर्स, चित्रा बैनर्जी दिव्यकुंडी. ठीक है. The second book is by Achal Malhotra, Remnants of Separation, in the language of remembering, and the Book of Everlasting Things. Guys, if you have a strong heart, only then you read it. Achal Malhotra went all the way from India to Pakistan, and she spoke to the people who actually existed since the time of partition. Unke upar hai, guys. You're gonna cry a lot while you read this book. And last but not the least, The Last Mughal. Ye पढ़ लेना, guys. बहुत अच्छी book है. Alright, guys, now we are going to talk about my favorite genre, and that is thrill. So, how can I forget Frida McFadden? She's my favorite. Inmate, highly recommended. The Teacher, highly recommended. Never Lie. The Housemaid series, Housemaid 1, 2, and 3. And then we have You Here. ठीक है. इसका सीजन भी आया गाइज नेटफ्लिक्स पे, अभी आज ही शायद रिलीज हुआ है, क्योंकि मैंने आज ही देखा था. ठीक है. द हंटिंग पार्टी बाय लूसी फोली, वेरी गुड बुक. थ्रिलर अगैन. Karen Slaughter's Silent Wife, The Girlfriend, You Are Not Alone, The Temp. We have The Dinner Guest here, and yes, here. The Woman in the Window, The Last Mrs. Parrish, Murder on the Orient Express, The Paris Apartment, The Family Upstairs, You Let Me In, The Wife Upstairs, The Maid, Red Balloon, The Playground, No Trespassing, The Target, and The Silent Patient. So guys, No Trespassing was sent to me by Brinda, and it was again for the book review. It's a wonderful book, guys. Highly recommended. Guys, I have no idea what genre I've missed, but these are the collection of books that I have. खुद देख लो यार. Okay, so it's a small book tour that I'm giving you. And guys, by the way, I have read these books. And yes, guys, whoever is gonna ask me, have you read all of these books? Yes, guys, I have read all of these books. And there's one request that I want to make, guys. Please, kahin pe jaake ye mat bola karo, can I please borrow this book? People, this is very, very disgraceful, because it takes a lot of time for a reader to collect the books. You people spend the money on nearly everything and anything. These are not very expensive, but full of knowledge and entertainment. You people can buy it yourself. Okay, I have already shown you these books, but जो थोड़ी बहुत रह गई है वो भी देख लो यार. Guys, I don't know how I forgot this book, but then this is a very good book, guys. Very, very good thriller. I would highly recommend this. Then A Suitable Boy, I have the whole series, guys. It's in the drawer. Okay, now this is probably the last part. This is my favorite coffee, guys. I stock it. Okay. I'm just going to show this to you once again. Okay, I'm also going to cover the books that people often say that how should we start reading, so I'm going to show you that as well. Just allow me a minute. After I'm done showing you, I will go ahead and I will recommend that as well. So guys, these 2 books were again gifted to me by the writers. These probably are the signed books in 2021, and I don't know, this one was also gifted to me. Yeah, it was gifted to me in 2021 itself, when I used to review the books. These were for the book review. Achhi books hai, guys, padh sakte ho. Then who hasn't read The 50 Shades of Grey? And this is erotica. It's a little secret. I bought it when I was a kid, but then yes, I bought it. Yes, Annie Frank, everybody's favorite, guys. Okay. Then Vikram Seth, like I told you, I have the whole series of A Suitable Boy. Then I have Jojo Moyes here, Me Before You, romance. You people can read it. Alright, guys, I don't know how I missed it. This is my favorite book, people. When breath becomes air. Guys, this book, if you haven't read, you haven't read anything. Please read it. I am not even going to give you a brief about it. You have to read it, guys. Goes without saying. And then I have a thriller here, Lock Every Door. I haven't read it. This was gifted to me by my mother. I'm gonna read it now. Then guys, ये तो स्कूल में सबने ही पढ़ी होंगी. Okay. Guys, we people have already read this in school. Romeo and Juliet, Wordsworth classics. All the CISCE people, we have already read it. As You Like It, then complete Charles Dickens, and then notes from other writers, and then yes, of course, the short stories. Who hasn't read these, guys? In school, we all have read this. And yes, guys, this is the Shakespeare series. Macbeth and Othello are my favorite. And Baki, guys, I also have an original one here. Let me show you. Okay, the complete work of William Shakespeare. So first I bought this. Okay, but then there were a few things that I didn't understand, and hence for the review I bought this. So this is written in English, and this is written in the Shakespearean language, people. If you actually understand the Shakespearean language, this is highly recommended. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then this is one of my favorite writers. Once upon a time I used to love Patricia Cornwell's books. Now I don't like her anymore. Theory of Chakras, guys, non-fiction, very good book. Zafarnama, very heart touching, highly recommended. Word Search. Okay, this is also one of the thrillers. It was gifted to me by my mother. Once again, I never read it. I'm gonna read it now. I'm sorry, mama. And this was also given to me by one of the writers for the review. बहुत अच्छी book है, guys, पढ़ लेना. This is Forever. This was gifted to me by someone in school. I never read it. Not my genre. Okay. So the Cappuccino, guys, very good. It's actually based on the same sex love. अच्छी book है, पढ़ लेना. ये भी किसी ने मुझे review के लिए भेजी थी. This was actually for my mother that I bought on Mother's Day. She's kept it here. I read it sometimes. Last but not the least, let's see what do we have here. Sister of My Heart, Divya Banerjee Chitrakurni. Again, one of my favorites. Everybody's favorite. Elif Shafaq, The Architect's Apprentice. Autobiography of a Yogi. This was recommended to all of us by Mr. Virat Kohli. I've read it. It's a good book. Guys, this is what I can gift anybody. You people want it, you people can ask for it. I've never read it. I bought it. I don't know why, in what mood I was. I bought this and I never liked it, obviously, because romance is not my kind of genre. Uske baad Spiritual Anatomy, very good book, guys. I had a breakup and I read this book. Women, Food and Hormones, it's on PCOD, PCOS. It's a great book. I tried it. Obviously, it didn't help me, but then I'm sure the people who can keep their hold on food, it'll help them. Richard Osman, guys, if you like happy thrillers, comedy thrillers, this is highly recommended. I don't know how I missed this book, Girl A. It's a highly recommended book, guys. It's a thriller. Guys, last but not the least, if you want to start reading, you can start with Rabindranath Tagore. And here we have Sherlock Holmes. You people can start with this. Rabindranath Tagore, like I told you people already. Then we have Premchand there. Again, one of my favorites, everybody's favorites, Malgudi Days. And then we have Manto Saab. You people can start with Manto Saab any time. And then there is Jane Austen, people. So these are my recommendation for the new readers. You people can try it. Yes, how can I forget, guys? Khalid Hosseini, my favorite. Okay. Now with that, guys, I am going to end this video. I wish you all the best for the reading. Please do leave your comment in the comment section. I would love to read all of those comments. Please be a little gentle. Please be a little kind. Rest. Have a good day. Thank you so much for your time.